they start coming up. This one is pretty big for the standards, so these are the smaller ones. That's a very big one. These are the red mites. They are pretty common in Italy. As you can see, I'm in this anthropic built woods, a garden, and this got my attention because they are very big. This garden is very interesting because you can find a lot of interesting species, said fungi, arachnids like this. This log was completely invaded by fungi. If you're visiting Padova, you may visit this park because it's very nice. Only you have to wear shoes because here is full of spiky logs and stuff, because many people do dump their trash here. But when it's clean, it's very good.